Now let's talk about errors. Suppose I try dividing f2 by 0. Call f2 divided by 0. When I press enter, Excel shows an error message hash div divided by 0 because dividing by 0 isn't possible. Sometimes you will also see a small warning triangle where Excel suggests a correction. You can click it to accept or ignore. The key takeaway: always check the formula where to fix formula errors safely. Another great tip for you: you can give names to cell or range. Let's say select D2 to D6. Then look at the name box on the top left corner of Excel. And now I'll type income okay, and press enter. Why is this useful? Because now instead of writing formulas, I can just write equal income employee into asterisk 10 or something you can say. If I press enter, it will shows 10,000. And then if I double click it, it will show the results. So that's it for today. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe.